Okay, we are learning a very important integration dx upon a sin x plus b cos x. And one question asked on this thing in JEE Advanced. Okay, how to proceed such problems? The first step, now see, here two terms are there. The one is sin x and the other term is what? Cos x. And two constant term is here. One is a and other is what? B. Now see, if here sin x is there, we have to assume a equal to r. If sin x is there, you have to assume cos theta. And cos x is here, then you have to assume r sin theta. Is it clear? This is the first step that you have to remember in such type of problems. So then, okay, now substitute this value a, and now equation 1 and equation 2, something that you can assume. Now substitute this value here, dx upon, what is the value of a? R cos theta sin x plus, and what is the value of b? R sin theta cos x. Is it clear? Okay. Then what will be your next step? Dx upon, now see what is common here, r. It is present in both the terms. Okay, so take r outside. So what will be here? Just little bit arrangement, sin x cos theta plus cos x sin theta. Is it clear? Okay. Now 1 upon r dx upon, what will be this value? Do you remember the formula here? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Yes, it is sin x plus theta. Is it clear? Okay. Then 1 upon r, and it will be 1 upon sin x plus theta. I can write as what? Cosec x plus theta into dx. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Before solving this problem, you have to remember some important integration result. Integration result that you have to remember, and one important integration result is what? Cosec theta into d theta. What is the integration of it? Ln tan theta by 2 plus c. Ln tan theta by 2 plus c. I will apply this result here. So what will be the formula? So what will be the result here of integration I equal to 1 upon r c ln tan of, what is the value of x here? X plus theta by 2 plus c. So 1 upon r ln tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into theta plus c. Okay, we solve this problem? Yes. But one important term is here, because listen, see, r is not r and theta. It is not present in the original equation. So we have to get this value, r and theta. It is not present in the original equation. So we have to find out the value of r and theta. How will you find out? कैसे find out करेंगे हम? Now see, firstly square, say what I'm telling, square a plus square b and add it. So what will be the value here? A square plus b square equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. a और b को स्क्वायर करो और उसे आपस में क्या करो? ऐड कर दो. सो a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर की वैल्यू यहां से कितनी हो जाएगी बेटा? आर स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. सो व्हाट विल द वैल्यू ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर? It will be equal to what? R square. So what is the value of R here? Under root A square plus B square. So we find out one important result. And the other, how will you find out theta? Divide 2 by 1. So what will be happen? B upon A equal to कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? Tan theta. So what will be the value of theta? Tan inverse B upon A. Tan inverse B upon A. Now substitute this result here. So what is the value of I? 1 upon R. What is the value of R? Under root A square plus B square ln tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse A upon B plus C. Is it clear? Okay, so you have to remember this result, and one question on the same concept, one question asked in JEE Advanced, asked in JEE Advanced. So what was the question there? Question was I equal to dx upon sin x plus cos x. Totally formula based question. Okay. If you compare with the original equation, what is the value of I? Dx upon A sin x plus B cos x. So what is the value of here? If you compare it, A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. So what is the value of I? By this formula, what is the value of I? Okay, 1 upon under root A square plus B square ln x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse B by A plus C. Now substitute this value here. 1 upon under root 1 ka square plus 1 ka square ln x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus C. Is it clear to you? Okay, fine. Now see, what is the value here? 1 upon root 2 ln x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse 1. It will be pi by 4 plus C. So what is the final result here? 1 by root 2 ln x by 2 plus pi by 8 plus C. Okay, so very simple question asked in JEE Advanced. If so, it's very important to